The world of textiles seems to be unlimited. Whether multi-layer heavy denim, patterned flannel, thin and stretchy t-shirt jersey, or fine wool fabrics for high-quality business suits, an optimized cutting process is essential. Therefore, ProCom Automation relaunched the ergoCNC software solution tailored for cutting each type of fabric. High-precision cutting strategies based on proven algorithms that have been developed over decades guarantee the fulfillment of the expected quality at the highest cutting possible speeds. The ergoCNC features save time, reduce costs, improve cutting results, and at the end of the day, will satisfy your customers. Well, enough talking. Let's cut to the chase. Within a few hours of installation, your ergoCNC solution is ready to use. The job preparation with ergoCNC can be done easily in front of the machine or at a separate workplace, even while the CNC machine is already cutting. This reduces the non-productive time. The wide range of unique features included in ergoCNC is designed for cutting high-ply as well as single-ply fabrics. Too many to name them all, so here are some examples. The machine assistant guides the operator to select the optimal tool and cutting strategy for every material, quality, and manufacturing requirements. Those sets of parameters can be saved and reused later for recurring cutting tasks. Notch detection and treatment strategies are consistently optimized for the sewing process. The unique knife intelligence compensates knife bending while cutting multiple layers for equal parts and precisely cut edges. With the matching function, ergoCNC analyzes and detects the pattern repeat, cuts the parts adapted to the pattern, and provides perfectly matched clothing parts. Statistics of the production data are generated automatically and make optimization potentials visible. By connecting your machines with Clover, the IIoT production monitoring platform from ProCom Automation, it is possible to collect, visualize, and analyze all performance data. This makes the entire manufacturing process transparent and traceable, in real time, secure, and from anywhere. For more than 40 years, ProCom Automation has been at your side as a competent partner. Our technology is used successfully worldwide, delights our customers every day, and results in trustful long-term business relations, the proof of continuous product development and deep expert knowledge. With the cutting-edge solutions from ProCom Automation, you are always one cut above, now and in the future.